Good morning. Hi, Marble. Good morning. Good morning. You look so cute this morning. Yes, you do. You look very, very cute. Good morning, guys. It is Monday morning. It is not sunny outside. It is very cold. And also, I have a lot of things in my hand. So, hold on. So, I'm going to go edit yesterday's video. Actually, day before yesterday's video. I got my laptop here, my phone here. I'm heating up my water for some hot, delicious tea, which is gonna boost my metabolism, give me crazy energy, and also help me burn fat. And then I'm also gonna make my shake, which is my breakfast every single day. You guys know by now if you're watching all my vlogs. And yeah, let me just show you one more thing. So every day when I get up and come to my kitchen, and I find my kitchen like this clean. So this is what makes my day. Like, I just love it. I don't like having to do a dirty kitchen and then washing dishes and doing all that stuff. Anyways, so I'm back from a walk with Marvel. Marvel is done with his walk. I gave him his food. It's super cold, so like after we came back from India, like 1 month back, now like when I take Marvel for a walk in the morning, because it's super cold, he doesn't want to walk so much. He just goes halfway and comes back. He wants to just come back home and be cozy and sit inside and play kind of thing. He doesn't want to walk only. So we take him for a long walk in the evenings, and he is just relaxing, even though he just got up, but he is still just relaxing right now. There he is. There. And yeah, we kind of did a little thing yesterday over here with the curtains. We had blinds over here, but now we have this beautiful curtains. Oh my god, guys, they look so pretty. So yeah, and there's a little bit more left to do in the patio, so that is why we did not do the house vlog yesterday. But trust me, guys, very soon, like next weekend or something, we're definitely gonna do it. Next weekend is next weekend we are actually going to my brother and his fiance's new place where they moved like this weekend. So yeah, we'll be going there to meet them, check out the place, because we saw the pictures and it looked beautiful. So yeah, that is the plan. It's Monday. I'm super excited. I'm super pumped to work out, get all my work done, and I hope you guys feel the same. Do let me know what all do you have, like anything that you can share with me, the list of work that you're gonna do today, finish off like it's Monday, and I am not able to open this curtain right here because it is stuck over here. So when Mayank gets free, like a little bit after, like around 12 o'clock, when he's free and during his lunchtime, I'm gonna ask him to come and help me out here. So he's working right now. And yeah, he gets up before me because he has to start working early. So yeah, I also feel like getting up right there, getting up and going out with Marvel and all that stuff. But anyways, let's make her tea right now and start our day. So I have some 16 ounces of water over here and some ice. To this, I'm going to add which flavor should I do? I think I'm going to do banana caramel and dark chocolate, because this is a favorite mix. And I'm going to do 2 scoops of dark chocolate, 2 scoops of banana caramel, and 2 scoops of vanilla protein. And trust me, guys, this is like so good. If you try all the flavors, I can guarantee you're not gonna say that I don't like this flavor or that flavor, because they all are so good. And 2 scoops of vanilla protein. So we always go and work out like in Mayang's lunch break. So that is why before that we have our shake, and sometimes we have a snack, but this is the thing that we always have, shake for breakfast. And that is why we have like all the protein and everything in here to give us all the energy that we need for our workout. Just going to blend it. So that is basically our morning routine every single day, and now I'm gonna go enjoy my tea, shake, and edit a video and upload it so you guys can actually enjoy watching it. Okay. I don't know whether you guys can see marble or not. Right there. Marble? Anyways. It's very, very cold. Let's have some tea and enjoy. Ah, so good. I am ready for the gym, and I have already prepped everything right here. You can see I'm gonna be making some delicious savory waffles, so stay tuned for this recipe because it's gonna come out today. So I'm just quickly gonna fill up my water, with some ice, and head to the gym. No, you're not getting anything right now. Oh, hold on. It is so cold. I don't feel like going to the gym at all, but still. It's gonna, I don't know how long this weather is gonna last. So I cannot skip my gym so many days. Anyways, let's give Marvel some ice and coconut oil because that is his favorite treat. Right, Marvel? It's your favorite treat. Can you go and sit on your bed and mommy will bring the treat? Okay? Go and sit on your bed. He's already on his bed. Let's go and give him the treat. On your bed, on your bed. Sit down, rock it. Good boy. Yeah, he's that fast. Anyways, so let me just quickly show you while my is getting ready. Let me just show you the things that I have in my gym bag. I have some resistance bands. They are 3 sizes: light, medium, and heavy. So I have all 3. I have my gym gloves, mine and Mayang's. I have a skipping here, and then what else do I have? I have my earpods, and yeah, that's it. And this is my water here. This is done. And now let's go to the gym and let's work out, burn some fat, burn some calorie. Just switch off the light here. And you guys are obviously gonna go with us to the gym so that you guys can take a sneak peek to some of our workouts. And let me, oh, I didn't even wear my shoes. So look at Marvel. Marvel! Come here. Come here, Marble. So let us know in the comment section below whether you guys like our workouts or not. Do you want them in more detail? Well, we'll obviously do it in detail in our fitness channel. We have started making videos for that, so stay tuned for that. We'll let you know. But yeah, Marble, come here. Leave that alone. Marble. Come here. See here. Yes. Don't touch my camera, but thank you. Thank you. Can you give mommy kisses? Can you give mommy kisses? Hmm? No? Okay. Anyways, I'm done. Ready? Let me go get my jacket.
So we are out for the gym, but on our way to the gym, she's gonna just throw the trash in the dumpster. And I guess this is just for a few more days, because in next 30 days, I think sometime at the end of February or the first week of March, they are gonna have a valet trash service, so we won't be coming and throwing our own trash. So they're just gonna have us keep it there. They are assigning individual bins that will be outside each person's door, apartment, and then we just have to keep the trash in the morning before 8 AM in the bins, and the valet service will come and pick it up for us. So it's gonna be a little bit relief, especially in the rainy time. It's very boring to come and throw the trash. So that will be one less work to do. She's back, and let's hit the gym.
I'm back from the gym. I came, took bath. I feel so fresh and so nice now, and I'm quickly gonna make my recipe for my YouTube channel, and that is going to be our lunch. So let me just take all of these things right here and arrange it for my shooting. Everything is set. My camera is set there. So let's start making the video. So guys, it's, what is it right now? It's 5:30. My young is off work and I am done with my video shooting. We even had our lunch, and I also uploaded the recipe in my website. And now I'm just quickly gonna edit for my YouTube channel the recipe video and publish it, and you guys are gonna go crazy because it is that delicious. It's so good, so good. And yeah, it's a very gloomy kind of weather outside. It's not sunny, it's not I mean, it's very cold and it's windy, so yeah. and Marvel is sleeping over there. Where is he? Hold on. Right there. So yeah, we don't have any plans of going out anywhere because I am like so tired and so sore from the workout I did today. It was like a crazy workout where I pushed myself like so much that in the end I was like, I want to give up, but still I didn't. And I came back home, I finished my workout and I came back home and I was like so tired. But anyways, let me quickly finish my editing this video and I'll get back to you guys then.
Hello! So, I didn't get a chance to be in the vlog almost the entire day. It's 6:48 and it's time to take Marvel out. So, while Tanya is serving dinner for him and he's going all crazy over there, I thought maybe I can talk to you guys. You're gonna notice that I didn't hit the gym today, and that is because the moment we left, the maintenance guy came in, so I stayed back because it was already too late, and then he left at around 12:50, and I had to get to work around by 1-ish, whatever. So I didn't hit the gym today, but I'm not eating bad as well, so I think we are good there. You guys listening to that? And I did shave. It is harder than it seems. I mean, I thought making this kind of thing, beard line, will be easier, but it's not actually. But anyways, so that is what has been happening. I think Tanya is gonna eat chicken pasta, but very simple. So maybe when we'll make it, I'll show it to you guys. And I am not sure. I can have either shake or just cornflakes. So let's see. For now, I'm gonna serve dinner to Marvel and take him out. Okay, so Tanya is making chicken. And what are you gonna do with chicken?
Cook it.
Great. So that's the recipe for cooking the chicken. I really hope you guys enjoy it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna add salt, black pepper, and some garlic powder right here, and I'm gonna grill it, and that's it. And rest of the work, he's gonna do it for me.
Yep. What I'm gonna do is I have here a black bean pasta and a protein pasta. I'm gonna mix a little bit of both, and this is the water. I'm waiting for it to come to boil with some salt and olive oil, and I'll throw it in there for around 6 minutes. When it is done, drain out the water, add some basil pesto sauce, like literally 2 spoons, and throw in the chicken pieces and toss it up, and that will be the recipe. So I'll show you when it is there. Oh my. Look at this delicious pasta. It's almost done. I'm just gonna serve it real quick and then I'll show you guys again. So the battery is dying and I'm gonna show you real quick. The pasta is over here. It is a basil pesto pasta, and look at this delicious thing. And there is no sauce, nothing, just some wine and a basil pesto pasta. And I am probably gonna have a little bit of cornflakes. And pasta is made with black bean pasta, just 1 cup of pasta tossed with some half chicken breast or 1 chicken breast, whatever, grilled chicken breast. No oil, nothing. So anyways, that is what we are having, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and we will see you in our next vlog very soon. So good night and bye bye.